Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to show you how to use Spelling City to do assignments. So I am logged in as a student, and when you log in with your username and your password, this is going to be what your front screen looks like. There are actually 5 assignments on here. The order that you see them in is just the order that I entered them. So I'm not saying religion has to be finished first at all because that's later in the week. That's not on Monday. You can close that up by clicking that little line, and then you'll see there's a thing that says view more assignments because there are actually 5 assignments on here. The reason I'm doing this is because I can keep track of what you finish right when you finish it. And I can do grades through this. So this is going to be our new way of doing things as we're doing this remote learning. I wanted to start with the spelling assignment. So we're doing phonics list 3. The activities, I just have 2 activities here. If you want to do more activities, you can still go up and pull up other activities. So you can still access that. I just don't want to pull that up because I don't want the student's name to show on YouTube. So I have this set up so that you have to do the activities in the order that they're here. So that's why this is shaded out. You can't click on these 2 things until you complete the first one. Once you complete an activity, it'll leave this little area and it'll go down to the bottom with your other completed activities. So this is your spelling assignment. So on Monday, I'd like you to do those 2 first activities. You can do more practice activities at the top if you'd like. And then by Thursday, I'd like for you to be taking the spelling test. If you feel like you're ready for it on Wednesday, that'd be fine. You can take it on Wednesday. All right, I'm going to close that box. I want to go to the reading. We're reading the story Apples to Oregon this week. So we usually start off with doing vocabulary. So this is the way we're going to do it. So I want you to do these 2 activities to be familiar with some of the unfamiliar words that are in the story. And this little vocab test, I'd like for you to do Wednesday, or if you feel like you want to do it on Tuesday, that's fine too. Okay, so these activities are going to be a completion grade. So you have to do them. I'm grading you on completion. Same with the spelling 2 activities. Those are going to be a completion grade, and then the tests are going to be real grades. For the English assignment, on Tuesday, we're working with irregular verbs in your little English packet. And I made a little game thing here for you to complete on Tuesday after you do the little practice things. This is my way just to see, did you understand it? So that's why that is there. So the little Spanish test, Mrs. Cohen asked me to set that up for you. So you're going to be completing that this week. And then religion, this is a little vocabulary thing for religion. We're going to be doing chapter 18 this week. And later on in the Wednesday, you're going to be doing this little vocabulary test for religion. So the nice thing is, I don't have to say, go find this under any particular column or anything like that. I'll just put all the things that you're going to be doing on your front screen, and you'll be ready to go. And then when you're finished with all these things, this box will disappear. So you won't see that. If you open it up and you see this box, that'll tell you that you have things that you need to finish for me on Spelling City. Okay, so once this box is gone, all your assignments are completed. So that's really a good way for you to keep up with your assignments. You don't have to go hunting for things or anything like that. It all is right here. So good luck using Spelling City. I'm hoping that it's going to be easier for you. If you have any questions, let me know.